In this video, I will tell you how to get rid of bedbugs bite overnight. Restless nights are a common occurrence in bedbugs infected homes due to bedbug bites that cause itchy welts. These pesky little pets generally feed on your blood at night, the peak time being about 1 hour before sunrise. Their bites resemble other insect bites and usually appear in rows or clusters of 3 to 5 bites. They are more common on exposed areas like the face, neck, arm, and hand. While some people may not even realize they were bitten, others may develop symptoms like red itchy bumps and rashes. But you don't need to worry. In this video, I will tell you how to get rid of bedbugs bites overnight. So to make this remedy, first ingredient you will need is baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium carbonate, help neutralize acidic chemicals that could be causing the itching from a bedbug bite. Being an anti-inflammatory agent, it also helps reduce swelling and redness. Just add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to it. Next ingredient you will need is witch hazel. Witch hazel is a liquid astringent that you can get from a drugstore, mostly used as a facial cleanser. It can also help calm itching caused by bedbug bite because it contains tannins that have a mild anesthetic effect. Just add 1 teaspoon of witch hazel. Next ingredient you will need is lemon juice. Being a natural astringent, lemon juice helps dry out rashes caused by bedbug bites and keeps itching at bay. Plus, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help reduce redness and swelling as well as prevent infection. Just add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix all ingredients very well. Apply this paste on your affected area to get rid of bedbugs bite. Allow it to dry, then rinse your skin. If the symptoms persist, reapply after a few hours. Applying a mixture of equal parts of cold milk and water can also help to relieve itching. Avoid bedbugs bite by getting rid of the infection.